In today's video, I'm going to show you GoMining App Review 2025. GoMining is a crypto mining or miner NFT style app that claims to let users mine Bitcoin via digital miners NFTs rather than owning actual mining hardware. The appeal is that it lowers the barrier to entry. For mining, you don't buy a physical rig, you buy a miner asset, pay maintenance and other fees, and earn daily rewards in BTC or related tokens. Many users report that it's easy to get started. The UI is relatively user-friendly and initial payouts are possible. The app has a solid number of reviews on App Store, 4.5 out of 5, with to 8.9 Kelvin's ratings, which lends some credence. On the flip side, there are quite a few red flags and asymmetries in user experiences. A number of users complain about unclear fees, maintenance cost being higher than expected, difficulty withdrawing or seeing actual profits, and rewards that diminish over time. Many mention that after initial enthusiasm, the return on investment (ROI) takes a long time, often 15 to 20 months or more, just to break even, especially if you upgrade miners or pay for more power or efficiency. Another concern is transparency and business legitimacy. Some warning articles say GoMining uses marketing language that mimics cloud mining, promises daily earnings, but lacks verification. For example, independent audit or proof of actual mining farm infrastructure. In some cases, users report blocked deposits or that support issues take long or that account verification or KYC causes delays or unresolved problems. The token system, GoMining token, is frequently criticized as confusing. There are features connected to it, discounts, voting, etc. But many casual users say they don't get much benefit from it unless they invest heavily. Is it honestly worth it? GoMining seems real enough in that people do get some payouts, people do use it, and it isn't obviously fraudulent in all respects. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.